Welcome to Qatar, a land of captivating flavors and culinary delights. Prepare to embark on a gastronomic adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Qatari cuisine is a vibrant tapestry woven with influences from across the Middle East, Asia, and Africa, resulting in a unique and unforgettable culinary experience. Join us as we delve into the heart of Qatar's culinary heritage, exploring its traditional dishes, ingredients, and cultural significance. Qatar's culinary scene is a testament to its rich history and cultural diversity. From the bustling souqs to the elegant restaurants, food plays a central role in Qatari life. It is a symbol of hospitality, generosity, and a celebration of life's simple pleasures. Whether you are a seasoned food enthusiast or a curious traveler, Qatar's culinary delights are sure to captivate your senses and leave an enduring impression. Qatar's cuisine is a reflection of its geographical location and historical influences. Situated on the Arabian Peninsula, Qatar has long been a crossroads of trade and cultural exchange. Its cuisine has been shaped by the flavors of neighboring countries such as Iran, India, and East Africa, resulting in a unique blend of culinary traditions. One of the key ingredients that define Qatari cuisine is spice. From the aromatic cumin and coriander to the fiery chili and cinnamon, spices add depth and complexity to Qatari dishes. The use of spice is not merely for flavor, but also reflects the historical trade routes that connected Qatar to the spice-producing regions of the world. Another defining characteristic of Qatari cuisine is its emphasis on fresh seasonal ingredients. The abundance of seafood from the Persian Gulf, the fertile lands for agriculture, and the nomadic traditions of the Bedouin people have all contributed to a cuisine that celebrates the bounty of nature. From succulent lamb dishes to flavorful rice preparations, Qatari cuisine showcases the freshest ingredients, prepared with care and expertise. Let us now delve into the heart of Qatari cuisine and explore some of its most beloved traditional dishes. One such dish is machboos, a flavorful rice-based dish that is considered the national dish of Qatar. Machboos is made with fragrant basmati rice, tender meat, usually lamb or chicken, and a blend of aromatic spices, including cumin, coriander, turmeric, and cloves. Another popular Qatari dish is semolina, a hearty stew that is typically made with lamb or fish, vegetables such as eggplant, tomatoes, and potatoes, and a rich, flavorful sauce. Semolina is often served with rice or bread and is a comforting and satisfying meal. For those with a sweet tooth, luqaimat is a must-try. These small, crispy dumplings are made from a simple batter of flour, yeast, and sugar, deep-fried to golden perfection, and then drizzled with date syrup or honey. Luqaimat is a popular dessert during Ramadan and other special occasions. These are just a few examples of the many culinary delights that await you in Qatar. Qatari cuisine is not merely about the food itself, but also about the cultural traditions and values that surround it. Food plays a central role in Qatari hospitality, and guests are always welcomed with warmth and generosity. Meals are often shared communally with family and friends gathering to enjoy delicious food and each other's company. One of the most important cultural aspects of Qatari cuisine is the concept of karak. Karak is a strong, milky tea that is enjoyed throughout the day and is an integral part of Qatari social life. People gather in cafes and homes to sip karak chat and socialize. Qatari cuisine also reflects the country's nomadic heritage. The Bedouin people who have long traversed the deserts of the Arabian Peninsula have developed a cuisine that is both practical and flavorful. Dishes such as guzi, a slow-cooked lamb dish, and mathrouba, a porridge-like dish made with wheat and meat, are staples of Bedouin cuisine and are still enjoyed in Qatar today. As we conclude our culinary journey through Qatar, we invite you to explore and experience the richness of this captivating cuisine for yourself. From the bustling souqs to the elegant restaurants, Qatar offers a wealth of culinary experiences that are sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you with lasting memories. Whether you are a seasoned food enthusiast or a curious traveler, Qatar's culinary scene has something to offer everyone. Indulge in the flavors of machboos, savor the richness of semolina, and treat yourself to the sweetness of luqaimat. Embark on a culinary adventure and discover the true essence of Qatar through its food. Let the aromas, flavors, and cultural traditions of Qatari cuisine transport you to a world of culinary delights. Bon appétit!